how to make bar graph in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert bar graph, also known as bar chart, in Excel. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel document and make sure that you have already entered all the data required, and just select the table or the data from which you want the bar graph. Once it is selected, go to Insert option on the ribbon bar beside Home, and then you will see Charts option. Tap on the first option, that is the bar chart. Just tap on it. So you can choose from the 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, or 3D bar. You can just tap on the one of your choice, and then you can edit it from the top. You can change the templates, you can even change the color, and you can even change the text here. So just put in any title that you want to, uh, and then that's it. If you want to change the chart type, you can just tap on it and then change the format as well. Just hit OK. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.